today. All right, so this all happens. So I come here and then I type lot size calculator.
XAUUSD.X9748 says, is there any possibility of XAUUSD gap up in market opening?
Yes, so gold can gap to the downside and then start moving up because we are in a risk off at the moment due to the strike on Barrett. So we are in a risk off, but I am thinking that there is going to be a gap to the downside before a possible move to the upside throughout the whole week. Yeah, so when I come here, what I do with the 1:3 is that I only put the amount of money I am risking into my account. Okay, so we trade gold. So I will select gold here. Okay, now the amount of money I have in the account for that trade, I usually leave $120 in the account. I'm using the 120 as a baseline because that's where I started from. And then how much are you risking? I am risking 100 out of the 120. The 20 is just for the margin. Every broker has a margin. So that's how come I'm putting 120. But I'm actually risking 100. Now the stop loss in PIP is very important. So this stop loss in PIP is when, let me show you. So for instance, if we are going to enter this trade here, and then let's say we enter the trade here, our stop loss is here, and our take profit is here. 1:3. So let's say our take profit is here. So the middle number here, 648. 648 is the stop loss in pips. The 648 is the stop loss in pips. So I'll now put the 648 here. Stop loss in pips will be what? 648. Okay, stop loss in pips will be 648. Stop loss in pips will be 648. Then we move downwards. Then you now press on calculate the lot size. When you calculate the lot size, for you to risk $100 on that particular trade, you need to place a trade of 0.22. So 0.22 is the lot size that you use for this trade here. For this trade here, if you are entering this trade and you have $120 in your account with the aim of risking $100, you will place the trade with a lot size of 0.22 to be able to risk the $100 for a $300. To be able to risk the $100 for a $300, you will place a lot of 0.22. So let me go over it. You select the currency. The account currency is US dollar. Account size, you only leave the amount of money you are risking with a margin. So I am risking 100, but I have a margin of 20 on it. That's how come I have 120 in my account. The amount that I'm risking is 100. The stop loss in pips is the middle number on your stop loss, which in this case 648. And then you press calculate, and then it gives you the lot size. So the lot size will be 0.22. So that's how you calculate the lot size. Okay, so